we are here sa SM Mall of Asia in IMAX Theater. No? Today is July 7 and we're going to watch an early screening of Superman the movie by James Gunn in DC Studios, starring David Corenswet, Rachel Brosnahan, at Nicholas Hoult, and many more. And I got now my ticket. Thank you SM Cinema for this. At we have an embargo. No? We cannot tell any movie reviews, any spoilers. At on July 9 pa, where we can show some reactions about the movie. But you know, I'll just show you my experience here, the excitement. And some of my media friends are here, Toycon friends are also here. So let's check it out, Joe. Let's watch Superman by James Gunn. Richard Cadiz, nice shirts. Okay, let's go inside here. I think I need to sign an NDA here. Alright, let's go inside. I'm not sure kung yung mga tropa natin nandito na, no? But I'm going to grab my popcorn. And we have here some posters. Magpapapicture tayo dyan. Si Mang Tim naka-Superman. Dito tayo kay David Dave Corenswet, Superman. Some behind the scenes. Nice. Papasok na ako kasi IMAX, so I need to get a nice seat. And Superman, see you. Alright, now we are now inside the cinema, the IMAX cinema. Not the very good sitting place, but yun talaga eh. And it's in IMAX 3D. Ayun lang. Okay, let's watch and I'll share some news later. Alright, practice lang for the Superman IMAX glasses. I think I need to remove my hat. Sana talaga maganda. Si James Gunn. Gunn. Steve Gunn. So I thought I saw George Lucas, but it's James Gunn. James Gunn? Tama ba dyan? James Gunn! Oh, yan, nandito na sa Philippines. Okay. What? Libre lang autograph. Yung anong pila-pila. And they saw James Gunn. Power of the Force. James Gunn. Yeah, tapos na yung movie. Congrats, James Gunn! I like your movie! Pinaghirapan namin yung pelikula. Thank you! See you on part 2! Pahirap yung trabaho. So, just finished watching the movie Superman. At I need to get out of here kasi meron pa akong trip. All I can say, it's different. Different take, different recipe. It's different from the old Superman movies. Wala yung masabi ko. Panoorin nyo July 9 here in the Philippines. Wala na akong masasabing. That's only my comment. It's good. Pag uwi ko, gawa ko ng review para ma-launching natin sa July 9. So that's it. Thank you SM Cinema for the invitations. At it's the good superhero movie. Parang, this is the new generation. Alright. Ito ginara here kasi meron pa akong trip. Alright, let's do this. Superman na tayo. Alright guys, I'm finally home. At I won't say anything about the movie. We're not allowed to say any reviews, post the ratings, but we can film our reaction or share our reaction. Wow, the movie is so good. That's all I can say. And my lips are sealed. No comments about the movie, but I super enjoy it. That's what I can share for today. So if you're in the Philippines, watch Superman this July 9 in all Philippine cinemas, and also watch it in SM cinemas, and watch it on IMAX. I super enjoyed the IMAX viewing screening this evening, and everything is so super. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next movie, and yeah, Fantastic Four, you are next.